Hey guys, it's Johnny from Focus Camera, and we're here at Brooklyn's Botanical Gardens trying out Sigma's new 35mm F1.4 DGDN art lens. It's an update to Sigma's most popular prime lens, the 35mm F1.4 DG. The main difference is that this is specifically designed for mirrorless cameras, L and E mounts. So let's go take it for a spin and have some fun. One of the things that Sigma updated with the new version of the 35mm 1.4 DGDN is its build quality. It's a lighter and more compact version. It's very similar to the 85mm 1.4 DGDN art lens. It is 0.5 ounces heavier than the 85mm. However, it does share a lot of the same build features in the lens, such as they both have the autofocus manual focus switch, customizable AFL button, a click feature. Right now it's on. You can see it jump from one to the next. If I switch it to the off position, it's smooth. You won't hear a click anymore, and you could switch it like this. On the other side, you have a lock feature for the aperture ring. I'm in automatic mode. Put the lock on, it's gonna stay. You take it off, you can switch back over. You put the lock feature on again, you won't accidentally slip into A mode. So I'm just looking at the pictures of me shooting this crabapple tree directly into the sun, see if we caught any lens flare. Most of them do not have flare. Only one picture out of all these pictures shooting directly into the sun has the tiniest bit of flare, and it actually looks kind of nice, and it's hard to even see it. Right now I'm just testing out the working distance of this lens. I'm trying to get super close to these thorns here, and gonna check out the bokeh behind them. It can get even closer than this, which is like, that's insane. I'm super happy with the optical performance of this lens today. Just wanted to give a special thanks to Sigma for letting us borrow it. It's been sharp focused, matter if I'm shooting a subject close up or far away. The edge-to-edge sharpness has been spectacular. The colors have really been popping. I've just been really happy with this lens, and the quality of it is tremendous, like all of the art lenses by Sigma. Got an aluminum build. It's a lot lighter and compact than the old 35mm. And everything on this lens has been really blowing me away. So super happy that I got to use it today. If you'd like to learn more about this lens, you can check it out in the description below. If you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. And until next time, adios.